In this video, I'm going to show you how to open OneNote in the app from your browser step by step. This is a really useful trick if you're working online and want the full desktop app experience because the app gives you a smoother interface, better navigation, and easier access to all your notebooks and notes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to OneNote.com. You can also sign in through OneDrive or Office.com if that's where your notebook is already stored. Once you're signed in, open the specific notebook you want to view. This is important because the Open in App option works from inside the notebook itself, so make sure you're inside the exact notebook or section you want to continue using. Now look at the top menu ribbon. Depending on your screen size and layout, you may see an editing drop-down button near the right side of the toolbar or close to the Help tab. Click that drop-down to open the menu. In the list of options, look for Open in Desktop App. This is the setting that tells OneNote to switch from the browser version to the installed desktop app on your computer. Click Open in Desktop App, and a browser prompt should appear asking if you want to open the link. When that message shows up, click Open OneNote or Allow, depending on what your browser displays. If this is the first time you've done it, your browser may ask for confirmation one more time before sending the notebook to the app. After that, OneNote should launch automatically in the desktop app, and your notebook will open there right away. From here, you can keep editing, viewing, and organizing your notes inside the app instead of staying in the browser. If the app doesn't open immediately, check whether OneNote is installed on your device and make sure your browser is allowed to launch external applications. In most cases though, the process is very quick and only takes a few seconds. And that's it. You've now learned how to open OneNote in the app from your browser. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next simple tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.